Hello, I'm Rosanna, and I'm so excited to meet you. I've been teaching in the classroom for over 5 years, and I've been a virtual teacher for about 2 years. In all, I have over 7 years of amazing teaching experience. I absolutely love helping people learn English with confidence, both young ones and older ones alike. For my young learners, I provide fun and engaging lessons using songs, games, and interactive activities to make learning fun and engaging for them. I'm cheerful, patient, always ready to give them an encouragement. For older learners, I provide practical and personalized lessons tailored to their individual goals. So, whether you're learning English for the first time or you simply want to improve on your speaking, grammar, and vocabulary, our lessons are designed to help you achieve that. In my classroom, everyone is free to learn, grow, and explore at their own pace. I believe every challenge is a stepping stone to progress. Therefore, I'm here to guide you and support you every step of the way. So, if you're looking for a tutor who is professional, kind, and encouraging, I'd be honored to work with you. Kindly book a trial lesson with me today. I'll see you in class. Bye.